Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm buying another Dodge pickup truck. So I've got a million projects going on and I just poured all this concrete to try to make room and kind of organize and get everything cleaned up on my property with all these project vehicles that I got. But my neighbor over here sold his house and he had a nice Dodge pickup truck with a Cummins in it, which I always wanted, and I've seen it sitting back behind his house for years now, probably about 7 or 8 years that I've been living here. And anyway, he sold his house. He's moving, so he sold me his truck, and I'm gonna go over there and pick it up and drive it over here and show you guys what we got. Pretty cool. I've never walked to pick up a vehicle. I've never been able to buy a vehicle this close to my house, so I mean, this saves a ton of money on missing work and going to get trailers and trying to drive all the way across the state or across a couple of states or something. So pretty damn cool. First time buying from a neighbor, so this is a really cool truck. I love the color pattern that it's in too. It's green with sand paint. This guy bought this truck brand new here in Plant City. Said he paid $18,000 for this truck, so I'll be the second owner, and it's got 300,000 miles on it. Cummins pickup truck, so probably could go like another 600 or 700,000 before I have to rebuild it. So maybe I'll turn it into like a hot shot truck or something. Everybody loves these engines and these trucks because they're so simple and easy to repair and they hardly ever break down. So I think that's what this guy actually used to do with it, is do some hauling or something like that, some trucking. So anyway, we're over here now. Took that long to walk over. And there it is. All right, well there it is. Man, that thing's badass. I feel like I'm driving a tank driving that. The brakes are completely shot, but that's not too bad. I'll do a great job on it, and we'll go from there. But what a cool color combo, right? That green and sand. Pop this hood for you. Show you guys the inside. Club cab. Got the grandpa edition little head visor thing up here to put all your change and wallet and whatever else you want to put up in there. What else? 4x4. It's got the center console, still in good condition. It's got like a caramel brown or something in color interior. But let's pull this hood. Oh, power windows. Show you guys this big Cummins diesel. There you go. Big bad boy turbo diesel right there, baby. Everybody goes crazy for. So that is a badass truck, huh? So now I got the Power Ram 350. I got the Ram 150 Club Cab, and then I got the short bed over there, which is around the corner, but starting to collect Dodge pickup trucks all of a sudden. But I mean, I couldn't pass that up. It was a great deal. I could walk there to get it, and it's a running, driving diesel pickup truck, 4x4, so pretty damn cool. Big old front end, I was about to say rear end, but big old front end under there. don't even know. It's got to be some kind of Dana something for sure. There's the back end. Not a ton of rust, but you know, it's got some issues like here. Definitely under the visor, the whole front of the windshield's all rusted away. A couple of dents and rust down here. And the truck bed back here is a little bit like cut and rotted or something. The bumper pushed into it. And the tailgate's total trash. Came with an extra turbo, which is probably only good for some parts. Another radiator, some step bars for the side, trim piece, fan shroud, which is going to be helpful. I don't even know if this one's, if it's got one on there. Yeah, it's got one on there, so maybe just an extra one. Big old oil leak right here. Oh, she runs good, sounds good. Hood's pretty rust free. This fender looks good. Door looks good. Bottom of that door. So I think the other side got a little bit worse than this side, but a little bit of rust in the rain channel there. The rust didn't come through on the ceiling though from over here. Kind of a old school old man visor on there. Kind of covers up the ugly messed up roof, so I might leave that on there just to keep that roof from looking so bad. But man, don't you love that color combo? Put some badass wheels on there, maybe repaint it. Be looking like a badass truck then, for sure. Alright, well that's pretty much it. That's the new purchase, so we'll have upcoming videos on it, fixing it up, getting it, you know, more roadworthy. Definitely start with the brakes and that oil leak, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. See you on the next one.